Most Amazon reviews are filtered. This is the real breakdown of whether this product is actually worth it. Today, we're diving into the ACDelco Gold 48 AGM battery, a powerhouse often overlooked by casual buyers. Here's the kicker: this battery isn't just about starting your car, it's a critical upgrade for modern vehicles, often outlasting cheaper alternatives by years, making it a smarter long-term investment than you might initially think. The ACDelco Gold 48 AGM, model 88864541, is a top-tier absorbed glass mat, or AGM, battery engineered for superior performance and durability. Manufactured by ACDelco, a brand synonymous with quality automotive components, this battery meets or exceeds OEM specifications. It's a BCI Group 48 size, fitting a wide range of popular vehicles, especially those with start-stop technology or extensive electronic systems. Unlike traditional flooded batteries, AGM tech resists vibration and leaks, offering a much longer cycle life. It solves issues like unreliable starts, premature battery failure, and inadequate power for modern vehicle electronics, providing consistent, robust power for your daily drives. Let's break down the key features of the ACDelco Gold 48 AGM and why they benefit you. 1. Advanced AGM technology *** electrolyte absorbent fiberglass mats means spill-proof, vibration-resistant, and deep discharge capability. This delivers superior durability for modern vehicles with demanding electronics and start-stop systems, ensuring reliable, longer-lasting performance on any road. 2. 36-month free replacement warranty *** a generous 3-year warranty is ACDelco's vote of confidence. This provides serious peace of mind. If it fails prematurely, a free replacement saves you hundreds. It indicates superior build quality, genuinely protecting your investment. 3. BCI Group 48 compatibility *** it's a direct, hassle-free fit for a vast range of popular European and American vehicles. No guesswork or modifications needed. Replace your existing Group 48 battery confidently, ensuring perfect fitment and electrical connections for straightforward installation. 4. High cold cranking amps, CCA, and reserve capacity, RC** engineered for robust performance. High CCA guarantees reliable starts even in harsh winters. Strong RC provides a vital buffer, allowing accessories to run longer if the engine is off or alternator fails, boosting convenience and safety with consistent power. This ACDelco Gold 48 AGM battery is perfect for several types of drivers seeking premium reliability. The link in the description is an affiliate link. Use it to purchase and support the channel. Thank you for watching. Like, share and comment which Amazon product you want next to be reviewed.